conducting a CCTV from the back clean out. Right now we're at the city main. We're on Vernon Avenue, I believe. The saddle. I'm just gonna let it keep draining so that way you can see the pipe. Is the water? You can turn off all the water in there.
No,
If there's nothing on?
No.
Alright. It'll stop right now. Okay. We're gonna start backing up.
Are you at the Y?
Yeah.
Can you go back in?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the city. That's the main line.
Channel.
Right
Yeah.
there, right?
That's the main.
So what is that? A shelf or something?
What do you mean?
In between the Y and the main line.
No. That's the. You talking about there?
Yeah.
That's the bottom of the saddle wire.
That's the bottom of the saddle?
Yeah. That's the bottom of the saddle. I'm assuming it's kind of hard to tell from the picture, but it's probably it might be a saddle T, but I doubt it. It's just probably going into a.
Yeah, it looks like it's going in.
Yeah. So it might be a regular saddle Y. Yeah, but that's the bottom. Right here.
Right.
To and then.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the connection right there.
Okay.
Go back right there.
Well, this is the 45.
That's the 45.
Yeah, this is the Y.
Go back just a little bit. Okay, go ahead.
Come back.
Like the offset right there, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit off.
Yeah, it's a little off right there. Okay.
That's how they did the connection.
Yeah. Go back there. Separation right there. Okay.
It's a 6x4. That's my 6x4.
That's the city, yeah.
Yeah, that's the 6x4 transition.
That thing looks like it needs to be rehabilitated.